So in this video, we are going to learn how to delete contact from ActiveCampaign for Stop SMS request. Now suppose guys you have a list of your contacts in ActiveCampaign, which is an email marketing platform, and then you are sending some kind of SMS to your contacts which are there in ActiveCampaign using Twilio. Now the user to whom you are sending the SMS, they want to stop getting those messages. So they send stop message to you. And you want that whenever someone sends a stop message to you on your Twilio number, you want to delete that contact from ActiveCampaign. So manually doing this process can be very much repetitive and time consuming. So why don't you automate it? You can set up an automation in such a way that whenever you are going to receive a new SMS in your Twilio number with the stop message, automatically the customer, the mobile number or the contact who has sent you that message will be deleted from the contact list in your ActiveCampaign account. Yes guys, automatically. Now if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Twilio to ActiveCampaign. Twilio to ActiveCampaign. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Twilio account, our Twilio number with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time when we receive a new message on the number in Twilio, automatically the details of that message is received inside Pabbly Connect. Now let's suppose you are sending some or running some SMS campaigns using Twilio, using which you are sending some SMSs to your clients and customer. Now you want that if the customer wants to stop getting those SMS messages, then they are actually replying you or sending you a text as stop. STOP, stop is the text which they have to send to ignore these or stop getting these messages which we are sending using our SMS campaign. Now you want that whenever the customer sends you any message on the Twilio number, you want to get the details of that number inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. So using this connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect in this trigger window, all the messages received on our Twilio number will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And whenever we are going to receive those messages, this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. After getting these messages, we are going to add a filter condition in those messages that if we have received those messages as stop, STOP stop or DND or any kind of notification which we are giving, any kind of thing which the user is replying to us, then in that case only we want to remove that contact from ActiveCampaign. And after adding this kind of filter condition, what we are going to do, we are going to delete that exact same contact who has sent us the message to stop getting the notification, stop getting the SMS, and we are going to delete that person from our ActiveCampaign contact list. So let's see how it is done. It's a very simple process. So we'll just select Twilio in this trigger window. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new SMS, because we want to get the details of new SMS which we are receiving on our Twilio number. After selecting our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect. And how you can add this webhook URL in your Twilio account to get the new messages inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. To know this, we just have to follow the help text given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and go to your Twilio account. After coming to the Twilio account, from the left sidebar, go to phone number and go to manage section over here. Under manage, you will see this option of active numbers. Just click on it. After coming to this active number page, here you will see a list of all the active numbers which you have in your Twilio account. Now from this guys, you have to select the number in which you are getting the incoming messages from your customer. Right now I have only one number, so I'll select this number over here. But you have to select the number on which you are getting the messages from your clients and customer. After clicking on the number, after coming to this configuration page, we just have to scroll down And under messaging configuration, here you will see an option of a message comes in. Here in this drop down, by default it has selected webhook and there is a URL in front of it. We have to actually clear this default URL, and here in place of it, we have to paste the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy this webhook URL from here and then paste it over here. After pasting this webhook URL, just click on Save Configuration. And this is it. We have successfully connected our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect in this trigger window. Now, whenever we are going to receive a new SMS, incoming SMS on this number in our Twilio account, the details of that exact same incoming message will also be received inside Pabbly Connect, and we will get a response in our Pabbly Connect's trigger window. And after that, this automation workflow will trigger. So here guys, in Pabbly Connect, it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the details of an incoming message from Twilio in this trigger window. So what I'm going to do, here I have some details of the contact. Basically, I have added my number in this contact list. So from one of my numbers, I will be sending a stop message to this Twilio number of mine, which we have connected with Pabbly Connect. So I'll just write stop over here and send the SMS. Now, just now I have sent a SMS with stop message on this number, on our Twilio number. And because we have connected our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect, here we will see that automatically, guys, we will get the details of this exact same message inside Pabbly Connect. So here, guys, in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you will see the details of the same user who has sent us the message. So here you can see the mobile number, the number from which we have received the message. Then here you can see the message, the SMS body which the user has sent. So we have sent stop over here. And then here you can see some other details regarding the same. Like to which number we have received this SMS, the user has sent the SMS, and what is the status. We have received an SMS over here. So in this way, all the messages, all the incoming messages on our Twilio number will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. In step 2, we have to add a filter condition. And the condition will be if the body of the SMS is stop. If we have just received stop as the message, then only in that case, we want to remove that particular contact, that particular number from our ActiveCampaign list. Only in that case, we want to delete the contact from ActiveCampaign. So here guys, what you can do, you just can add a filter condition over here. And to add it, we will just scroll down, come to our action step, and here in choose app, just select filter over here. After selecting filter by Pabbly, in select label from this drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Twilio of an incoming message. Out of all of these responses, we will select this response, this label of body over here. The filter type will be equals to from this drop down and the value will be stop. And then just click on save and send test request. So just now we have added a filter condition in our automation workflow that if the body of the message, the incoming message is stop, only in that case, this automation workflow will be executed further. Only in that case, this automation workflow will continue after this. And if we receive anything else other than stop message in the incoming message from the users, in that case, this automation workflow won't be continued further. Like for example, if we have received some kind of inquiry or response from the customer, using this connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect, we will get the details of those incoming message inside Pabbly Connect. But because we have added the filter condition, this automation workflow won't be continued further and that contact will not be deleted from our ActiveCampaign account. Only the message, if the message is stop, in that case, we will delete the contact in ActiveCampaign. So we have successfully added this filter condition as well. Now let's move to step 3. In step 3, we want to delete this user who has sent us the SMS as stop from ActiveCampaign. But before doing that, what we have to do, we have to first search for this contact, this user in our ActiveCampaign account using this mobile number, using which they has sent us the SMS. And for that, we will just scroll down, click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, search for ActiveCampaign. Just select ActiveCampaign in this action application in choose app. And here in action event from this drop down, this time we have to select the action event as search contact by phone number. So we will just scroll down and we'll search for this action event over here. Search contact by phone number. Just select this action event. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to basically connect our ActiveCampaign account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and the URL of our ActiveCampaign account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get this API key and URL of your ActiveCampaign account. So to get it, just go to your ActiveCampaign account. From the left sidebar, go to this settings option. After coming to the settings page, go to developer, and here at the developer page, you will get the URL and the API key of your ActiveCampaign account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After this, copy the URL as well, API URL as well, and then paste it over here too. The help text says we have to enter the URL without the https colon and // So here we will just remove this from this URL section and we will keep the rest of the URL as it is. So after entering API key and URL, just click on save. Now when we click on save, here you can see that our ActiveCampaign account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the phone number. That what is the phone number of the user of the contact which we want to search, whose details we want to receive. So here guys, we have to enter the phone number, the mobile number from which we have received the SMS message. So here in the responses of a new message which we have received from Twilio, we have also received the mobile number, the phone number from which we have received the message. So what we have to do, we have to actually map this response of from phone number over here in this contact field, in this ActiveCampaign's search contact by phone number field. Now here guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Just click on this field and here from the drop down, you will see a list of all the responses which we have received from Twilio inside Pabbly Connect of an incoming message of a new SMS. And from these responses, we will select this response of from mobile number. Just select it and map it over here. So from whatever number we are going to receive the SMS in our Twilio account, we will get that same phone number in as a response inside Pabbly Connect, and with the same phone number, we will search for new contact in ActiveCampaign. After mapping this from phone number, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you will see the details of the exact same contact which has this phone number in our ActiveCampaign account. So in my ActiveCampaign account, we will just go to this contact section, and here you can see there's a contact named as Test Demo. And this contact has this mobile number from which we have received this STOP SMS in Twilio, as you can see over here. So here in response of this action step of ActiveCampaign, after searching for this contact by phone number in ActiveCampaign, here in response you can see the details of this contact. Here you can see the same email address of this contact which is added in ActiveCampaign. Then here you can see the mobile number, the same mobile number which we have searched. Then you can see the same name of the user of the contact, Test Demo. We will scroll down further and you can see some other details of the same contact from our ActiveCampaign account as well. Like when this contact was created, when it was last modified or updated, and all the other details. Also here you can see in response, we have received the contact ID, the unique contact ID of this contact as well. So in this way, from the number from which we have received the stop message on our Twilio number, you can search for the contact, search for the person in our ActiveCampaign account. Now, after searching for this contact and receiving this unique contact ID in response, as you can see, we have received the unique contact ID of this contact. Let's move to our final step, and in final step, we want to delete this contact from ActiveCampaign. Now, I'm choosing to delete this contact from my ActiveCampaign account, but if you want, you can actually move this contact to some other list or add a specific tag to this contact as well. You can basically select this action step, last action step, according to your choice, according to your requirement. Now to delete it, we will just scroll down, click on this add action step button over here. And here in choose app, once again we'll search for ActiveCampaign. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, we are going to select the action event as delete contact because I will be deleting this contact from my ActiveCampaign account. But as I told you, you can basically perform any other action of your choice as well, like adding a tag to this contact or any other action event of your choice or moving this contact to some specific list. Then just click on connect after selecting our action event. And because we have connected our ActiveCampaign account in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection over here and then just click on save. Now when we click on save, once again our ActiveCampaign account will get connected with Pabbly Connect in this delete a contact step. And to delete a contact, the only thing it asks us is the contact ID. Now here in this dropdown, you will see a list of all the contacts which we have created in our ActiveCampaign account over here. But here guys, every time we will be receiving this incoming message of stop from a new user. This means every time a new contact is supposed to get deleted from our ActiveCampaign account. And here guys, in the response after searching for this contact using this mobile number, we have basically received the contact ID of this contact as well. So what we have to do, we have to actually map this response of contact ID over here in this next action step of delete a contact. We will just turn the mapping button on in front of it and clear the default response. After clearing it, from the drop-down from ActiveCampaign responses, we have received the response of the contact details and we have searched for the details of the contact using phone number. And out of all of these responses, we have also received the response of contact ID. So just select this response of contact ID and map it over here. So whatever contact ID will be there for the contact or for the number who has sent us the SMS on Twilio, the same contact ID, the same contact will be deleted from our ActiveCampaign account. And after mapping this contact ID, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received another response and this is a blank response. This response means that this contact has been deleted from our ActiveCampaign account. So let's check it. We will go to ActiveCampaign. We will just refresh this contacts page once. And yes, here you can see that the same contact test demo who has sent us the message on our Twilio number, the same contact is now deleted from our ActiveCampaign account. So here guys, you can see that using this Pabbly Connect automation, we have successfully created this automation workflow using which whenever a customer will send us a stop SMS on our Twilio number, automatically that customer, that contact will be deleted from our ActiveCampaign account. Now here in this video, I just took an example of Twilio as a SMS sending or receiving service and ActiveCampaign as an email marketing or a CRM platform. Instead of this, you can basically set up this kind of automation for any other SMS sending service or any other email marketing or CRM platform as well. So guys, not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can actually clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.